If your Xbox controller's trigger buttons are feeling sticky, here's how you can solve the issue. First, pry open the panel at the bottom of the controller. I find it best to just use your fingernails. Hold it against your body and then pull on it. It should pop open. Once you pop it open, press on the trigger button and you can see that it's hitting a spot where the pads have disintegrated, leaving the sticky glue, and that's what's causing the stickiness of the trigger button. Now cut a tiny piece of furniture pad and just place it on where the old pad used to be. That's it. Now if you press on the button, you see that it actually feels really smooth. That's it. Thanks for watching this simple fix. Happy gaming!